Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cloud Immersive YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to briefly walk through how to easily convert an image file to WebP format using the Cloud Immersive Image Connector in Power Automate. WebP files achieve nearly 30% better compression than JPEG files without losing image quality, making them a great format for speeding up web pages. Let's begin. First, click Create on the Power Automate homepage and then click Instant Cloud Flow. Selecting an Instant Cloud Flow will make it easy to test and run this flow with greater control over your data. Give your flow a name, and then select the option to manually trigger a flow and click Create at the bottom to move on. On the Flow Design page, click New Step. Search Get File Content and select the option that aligns with the application that your file is saved in. For me, that's SharePoint, so I'm selecting that option and then defining my site address. Click on the file icon below to navigate the SharePoint folder path to your file's destination. Once you select it, this step is complete. The next step will involve our Cloud Immersive connector. Type Cloud Immersive into the search bar and select the image connector with the yellow logo from the list of options below. If it's your first time using this connector, follow prompts to name your connection and include your API key. You can get an API key by registering for a free account on our website, cloudimmersive.com. Once entered, that information will save for the next time you use this connector. Type WebP into the Actions search bar and select the first option from the list below. Once selected, you'll need to satisfy two parameters for the operation to work. To begin, click on the first search bar and simply select the File Content option from the Dynamic Content window. This will pull the file content from the image we included in the first step. Next, copy in the name of the image file from the previous step, and you're all done with part 2. Now click New Step again and search Create File. Make sure to choose the version of this action that is associated with the application you want the new file to be saved in. That's once again SharePoint for me, so I'm selecting that option and again selecting my site address. Once that's done, you'll need to define the folder path, name, and content for the new WebP file. Start by navigating your folder through the folder icon and select it when you're ready. Then, give your file a new name and include the .webp suffix. Finally, use the Dynamic Content window to satisfy the file content portion of this action by selecting the Body option. With this final step complete, you can now save and test the flow. Click Save at the bottom and then click Test in the upper right corner of the page. Select the option to trigger manually, then confirm your connections and set the test in motion. This should be a pretty quick operation, and you only need to wait a few seconds until green check marks appear in the upper right corner of each operation in the flow. If there were any errors at this stage, they'll come up immediately in an error log on the right side of the page. To make sure the flow worked 100% as intended, let's head to the destination folder. As you can see here, I now have a new WebP file with the name I specified. You can now easily convert files to WebP in the blink of an eye. If you have a lot of files that you want to convert, you can even set up an automated version of this flow that converts all of the image files saved in a given folder automatically. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more of our tutorials in the near future.